what clarity you got now? See, Janvi want to crack your UPSC now,
Yes,
and
sir.
such more difficult concepts keep coming. Okay. So compared to before, if at all you had to memorize this earlier, how much time would you take without learning these memory techniques? And today, how much time did you take? Close your eyes, start.
Sir, it's Hamar and Zombie tribe. So, firstly, Zombie tribe, particularly from the Kuki, Chin, and Mizo group. They live in the region called Manipur, Assam, Mizoram, Burma, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. And particularly, their settlements are on the hilly regions of the border areas of Myanmar and India, northeastern India. Their dialect is Kukish. Their festival is Chaphar Kut. They follow animism uh, and also Christianity, in which they follow baptism and Presbyterian. It was like a tough name. Then we came to Hamar tribe, also called Mahar or Mar. It is also from the Kuki Chin and Mizo group. From STs means scheduled tribe, registered under the sixth schedule, originated from the Sinlung region. I made a map of China here, particularly the Sinlung region of China. And particularly in India, they live in Chittagong region of Bangladesh, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, Assam too. Their dialect is Hamar dialect is itself. Jhum is their cultivation pattern. Their festival is Sikhpui Roi. After harvesting, they do this. Their system is having a village head known as Lal. I have made a picture of a village king, and
Okay.
they are following the clan system, in which there are a lot of clans, which we call Vanshaj in Hindi. So
Mhm.
that's all. Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Give her a big round of applause. Great job. One full page. Yes, Janvi, what clarity you got today? After
Yes, sir.
memorizing in this way.
Yes, sir. The memorize, sir. Firstly, I truly say that this was the concept which I have not read it yet.
Okay.
I have read it just when you started the timer. I have not even understood the concept, but now by just reading that, I made the maps because many picture I got of the locations, because that
Correct.
is important for our exam. And
Yeah.
second thing, the keywords like Sikpuri, Roi, this I have made a rhyme in my mind itself
Yeah.
that I cannot make in picture terms. This thing,
Yeah.
and also sir, animism and Christianity, which they follow, I make the picture. Like animism, they follow the natural things, and in Christianity, there are two sects here. So sir, in Sinlung region, I made a map of China because sir, my mind is more inclined toward maps. So, sir, and locations are very important for mains examination because when we draw a map, we got 1 mark extra.
What clarity you got now? See, Janvi want to crack your UPSC now,
Yes,
and
sir.
such more difficult concepts keep coming. Okay. So compared to before, if at all you had to memorize this earlier, how much time would you take without learning these memory techniques? And today, how much time did you
Sir, in your timer period only.
take?
Yes,
Brilliant.
sir.
So in 10 minutes you finished everything. You memorized it also, remember also, and you're saying you don't have to do multiple revisions, no? So that's how
Yes, sir.
compared to your 40-45 minutes, you just did it in 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Brilliant.
And every minute is important for us, sir.
Fantastic. So what
Yes,
clarity you
sir.
got now? How many more concepts in your UPSC you'll implement like this? What
Sir,
clarity
entire
you got?
geography. Sir, entire geography. Firstly, I'll make through maps because mainly the requirement is of map, and history also with maps. And also economics. Yes, sir. I can also apply it in economics by graphs because sir, there are a lot of graphs which I can make through just we can say histogram and some timeline graphs. That will be easy, and also timeline method for historical dates, mapping for geography, quality. Also, the sections some are applying to the particular states only. I'll be applying this technique on quality as well in international relations must because sir, world map is there, and sir, internal
So,
security, red corridor. Yes, sir. A lot of things I want to tell you.
so how confident are you to crack your UPSC after when you are started? See, just the beginning of the course you're doing so much. There's so much to go. Okay. So how confident are you after doing this?
So I'm feeling a lot of confidence today. And by consistency, I can say that I can crack this exam because now I know the right techniques. One thing is needed consistency. I have to do it, apply it more and more on the more subjects so that I must make best utilization of these techniques. Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Let's do it together. Thank you,
Yes,
Janvi.
sir.
Thank you. Please.
Thanks a lot,
Great.
sir.